Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the basic tags in HTML. So we will start with the comment tag. So what is meant by comment tag? Before that, I would like to give one information. I have to quickly learn what I have did is all the content I have tried to make it into a single example. So a single lengthy example. So this will be taking 10 videos at least to cover. So section wise it will be there, but while executing and understanding the program it will be easy for you. HTML first tag is comment tag. So what is meant by comment? You will be learning any of the languages like C, C++, Java. There you would be already hearing this word comment. So you are having your program, right? You are having your source code here. You don't want the compiler or the interpreter to read what you have written. Only you are writing some pieces of lines. These lines are for the coder's understandability, for your understanding, or you want to convey something to the person who is seeing this code, or for future reference you are typing something and keeping. These lines are called comment lines. So comment lines will not be executed by the web browser. It will not be displayed in the output screen. For the understandability of the coder and for readability purpose, we use this comment line. The syntax is opening angular bracket, exclamatory mark, double hyphen, followed by the comments. You can have any number of lines, either single line or multiple lines. Then again double hyphen, closing angular bracket. So this is the syntax for this comment line. So look at here. So here first line I have written something with comment line. This, look at the syntax, angular bracket, exclamatory mark, double hyphen, followed by the content. At the end you have to put again double hyphen, then close the angular bracket. So here this is a title tag. So displays text in the tab header. So this is for my understanding I have written this. Same way here, this is single line comment, one line I have written. Here I have written multi-line comment. So I am starting with this syntax, ending. In the mid I am having 4 or 5 lines of comment. For my understanding alone only I am having. See, look at the text itself is in a ash disabled color like it is. So now we'll see the output. So this is the head section. In the yesterday's first program we had the same head section I'm having. In the body section, without using any tag, I have printed a content. Hello, I'm here in your web page. A line without tag in the body section. So this is my output. So if you're just double clicking your file or you're right clicking and opening it with the browser, you'll get the output. So see, without tag, without any spacing, in the very first line the content is appearing. So now I have started with the comment tag. So look at here, I have typed 5 or 6 lines inside the comment tag, but in my output I don't get that line. So comment lines are not the content which is inside the comment tags will not be displayed in the output screen. So read the comment given in your code page. So in my code page I have given this and I have written a paragraph. Only this paragraph is displayed and this is not displayed. So this is called as comment tag. So the next tag what we are going to see is heading tag. So already we have used this heading tag and paragraph tag in the first program, but we didn't have a detailed go through of that. So now we'll be doing that. So heading tags are used for giving heading to your content. So heading will be like the size of the text will be very high, the width of the or the darkness of the text will be very strong or bold enough. So that is called as heading tag. You are having 6 heading tags starting from H1 to H6. So H1 will give you the most important heading. That is, the size will be very large and the darkness of the font also will be very high. That is H1. H6 will be, H2 will be somewhat lesser than the previous one. Likewise it goes. And H6 will be having the least size. For least important thing, you will be using H6. So in this code, I have used the tags from H1 to H6. So the next section I have displayed the heading tag. So H1, this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So you have to put opening bracket h1 closing bracket, then slash h1 at the end. In between this opening and closing tag, whatever you are writing, those content will be applied with the heading font. So here is my output. So from h1 to h6, how it is visually displayed like that we can see. So here this is heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see the size and the boldness of the headings will be varying based on h1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will be having the least important content, and if you want to have a high important content, you can use h1. And in a HTML page, you can use any number of heading tags, but unofficially, as a good programming practice, what you can do is, in one web page, you can use only one h1 tag. So only one bigger heading. The next level of headings can have h2 tag. Then you can have h3, h4. You don't skip any heading levels. Suppose you are using h1, then h2, then use h3 for the next subheading. Don't go for h4 or h5. So that the visibility will be very good. So this is not a mandatory rule, but it is a good programming practice. So the next tag what we are going to see is the paragraph tag. So paragraph tag, this also we have seen in the first programming example, right? So paragraph tag will be dividing the content into the paragraphs. So every time a new line or an empty line will be added automatically before and after an paragraph. Paragraph will be starting from the new line. The size of the browser window will decide how many lines to be displayed in a paragraph. So based on this resizing, the content will be changing. So see, this is a paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Let us see the code. So in section 3, I have written this paragraph tag. So what is this BR, HR tag and all, we'll see in the next video. So just now, for now you just ignore it. So here we are having paragraph tag. See paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. How you have to write it? You have to open a tag with P, then you have to slash P, you have to close it. Between this opening and closing tag, you have to type the content. So if you are typing the content like paragraphs, you will be getting like this. You can have many contents as well. See here the number of lines in this paragraph depends on the size. Some 2 or 3 lines I have typed here. 2 things I want to demonstrate and show in this. So first I'll demonstrate this part. If you are resizing the window, this already we have seen in the display also, right? So if you are resizing the window, the number of lines displayed in this paragraphs are changing. See, now it is 3 lines. I am expanding, it is becoming to 2 lines. So likewise, based on the screen size and the resizing, the number of lines in the paragraph will be varying. So you won't get fixed output. The content will be fixed, but the number of lines will not be fixed. That you have to know. Then the spaces will be ignored. See, this paragraph, I have left a new line. Then contains a lot of lines. Again, one empty line I have left. Then I have used many new lines here, right? See, another new line, another new line, new line, new line. So nothing will happen. Everything together will be displayed. All the white spaces and new lines will be ignored. This paragraph contains lots of lines in the source code, but the browser ignores it. See how many lines it was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines it was. But in the output, all the new lines and white spaces were ignored and one single line it is displaying. So in the tags, in between the tags, if you are leaving any white spaces or new lines like this, it will be ignored. Only the tag will be applied, and whatever you are typing here, the content will be reaching the output screen, but the white spaces and new lines will not be reached. So that is regarding the paragraph tag. So hope you understood. Next we will be seeing about this HR, BR and pre-tags in the upcoming video. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.